EnglishMania.
Hi children. Welcome to EnglishMania. Let's learn new English words. I am a penguin. I can speak. I can speak English. This is a cat. The cat likes to walk. This is a dog. The dog can bark. The dog can also run. This is Alice.
I like to dance.
This is Nick.
I can jump.
The dog and the cat are animals. And Nick and Alice are humans. Now it's time for you to do some activities with your teacher. Good luck.